Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A tectonic or a jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Monday, August the 14th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So one regular puzzle is left. This is the tectonic or the jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 of them, half of them I will solve in the evening, but let me solve this one. Oh, let me zoom this out. Okay. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today is the competition of the soccer. The new season is already started. Yes, but we are not interested in soccer or football. Let me start or continue with the tectonic with well, this will be number 6919. And before I start, I always count or print the digits. Well, this one has 20, exact 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. But this one is 9 by 11, yeah. A little bit bigger than the tectonic. In additional, I believe that one is 8 by 11. This one is 9 by 11. But for a should be an easy one because the tectonics or the jigsaw puzzles with 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, well, sometimes I need more than 30 minutes, but this one has 20 printed digits, so I think it's a 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. I see here only 1 single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here a dual box, 2 double boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here. Do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 1 or a 2. But also that box can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Alright, more quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Well, the first one is this one, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there. Do we have more L shapes here? No, only 1 L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then following shape, the last shape I believe, this shape, Let me draw the shape here. When you see the T shape, it's rotated, the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. And those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then this box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have 1 here and a 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. This box cannot be 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can be a 3, can be 4. So definitely a 5 is connected with that box should be also a 5. Is connected also with that box should be also a 5. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then that means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, 1, 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, and it can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be a 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a 5 here. but also that box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution, place the 5 there, because then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, but also this box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. Alright. Two. Well. These two boxes can be a 5. Those two boxes can be a 5. And this box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not. Well, wait. Yeah. Come on. Well. How about here? This can be 5. That can be 5. Here 5, there 5. Well. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. From us 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a, we have a 1 here. So this box can be a 1 and more. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this area from Mr. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Overlook this one. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then these two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 4. Alright, this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there. Then, well, what's happening? This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. Oh wait, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, let me see, no. Here, this box, 4 and a 1. This box, 1 or a 3. Well, wait. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. Well, this Tectonic is a little bit bigger than the Tectonic in the additional. The additional is 8 by 9, and this is 9 by 11. So we have 11 numbers more. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Well, I've indicated this with 2 stars. Alright. Bye-bye for now. And, yeah. See you in the evening. Until then. See you later.